How to create a variant in Figma. So if you want to quickly go ahead and place a variant in Figma in a single container called a component set, here's how you're going to do it. So what you're going to do is you are going to be creating a component. All right. So to create a component, you're going to write Control Alt K. All right. So once you do Control Alt K, what that will do is it will go ahead and create components for you. So all these over here, you can see in front of you, these are components that you get. Now, any of these components, you can go ahead and lock them or unlock them. But if you want to go ahead and actually get these components, conjoined and in a variant, as you can see, it's going to be creating different variants. So you're going to right click the main component like this. And once you right click the main component, what you're going to do is you are going to be adding a variant by yourself. All right. And it's really simple to do so. You're just going to select your layer. And as you can see, it creates a property variance for you. So now you have two variants. So that is how you can create variants by creating components. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.